3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, it's Tuesday again and it's time for your Tenant Tuesday tip. So one of the things we want to talk to you about today is the application process. Now if you find your dream property and you decide you want to proceed, there are certain things that need to happen. Now not everybody does this the same, every agency is different, but there are some key things that agents should be doing in order to process your application. You should initially complete what's called an interest form, which basically offers some basic information about you as an individual and any other people that might be taking up the tenancy. In addition to that, you will be required to provide proof of address and photo identification. Now there are two reasons for doing this. One, because under the right to rent checks we need to do this, and also to prove your identity we would also take 2 proofs of address on top of that. Once we've received all that information, we will then put your offer to the landlord, and if that offer is accepted, we would expect you to undergo an application. In order to hold the property, we now take what's called a holding deposit, and that will equate to 1 week's rent. Once we've done that, or any agent that's working with you does that, the property should come off the market. Like I say, the holding deposit is there to reserve the property. We then have 15 days in order to execute the tenancy. So realistically, referencing needs to happen fast. Now some agents work with companies that provide something that's called open banking. Now what that means is it gives immediate access to your finances, which is totally confidential, but will also allow you to get through the referencing process a lot quicker. So if you ask your agent about open banking, just to see whether that's possible, obviously that gives you peace of mind that that property is yours and you can move in quite swiftly.